Somewhere, the devotees cannot offer papaya or pineapple to Devi. What is the reason? Are there any other fruits and flowers that one cannot and should not offer to Devi? And this person from Singapore also supported that. This is also the same question. Why only papaya and pineapple cannot be offered? Any reason behind? On the lighter side, maybe they know that Devi doesn't like papaya and pineapple. The secrets are revealed to them. I can't say anything then. But if I were, then the principle is in Naivedyam, whatever I like, I offer to the God. That's as simple as that. If I don't like this, then I don't offer. I don't like capsicum. I'll see that the Naivedyam doesn't have capsicum when it is being prepared, rice item, because I don't like it. So, whom you are offering? Your own self. There is no real rule. Kannappa, Bhakta Kannappa, with a staunch devotee, offer the meat of pig to Lord Shiva. He is a hunter and he likes pig meat. He offered. Just because he offered, and by that Shiva gave darshan to him, I cannot offer pig meat. Pig meat is not the reason for his getting darshan. Pig meat is the involvement 100% in Shiva. Forgetting what he is doing, he spat on Shiva, thinking that it is Abhishekam. He just put his leg on Shiva just to mark the eye before taking his eye. Because when he was offering this pig meat and spitting on Shiva, Shiva wanted to test him further. So blood came from one eye of Shivalingam. So he took out his eye and put it on the blood oozing eye. It got stuck. Then the second eye got. Now, if this eye is removed, he cannot see the Shivalinga. So just as a marker, he put his toe on the Shivalinga and was about to take out the second eye. That's when the Shiva came. I don't know how many people know this story. If we have a surrender like that, anything can be offered. But until that stage, I want to offer the best food I enjoy. Vegetable Manchuria, fried rice. Have you ever offered fried rice to someone? If I like, I offer. That's it. My guru is my teacher there. He used to offer onion pakoda. He's very fond of onion pakoda. I did a Guru Homam on a Guru Purnima in Boston with pizza as Ahuti Dravya because my guru likes pizza. What is the use of putting rice puff when the guru is expecting pizza as a Ahuti Dravya? So, surrender. Whatever I like, I do. There's no rule. You cannot offer this. Whatever. See, the rule is the best possible, whatever you like most, you need to give to others, not even God. The best thing I have. Many people say, oh, take this sari, This is blue color. I don't like it. You wear it. Very costly. Well, that's not offering. You don't like it. You give it to somebody. It should be like, take this saree. The only one. I love it. You'll also love it. Wear it. What about you? I don't mind. I'm happy if you wear it. That is Naivedya. Whatever best possible, whatever is available with you, you offer. Right? And another thing, having said that, in Namavarna Puja, I don't know how many people know Navavarna, and I said, highest form of worship of Sri Yantra. I hope one day all the people on the screen will be learning that. Now here is an announcement. I don't put any conditions. You have to learn Varahi, you have to learn Shyama. No. If you come forward to learn Navavarna Puja, I will teach you. Raise your hand. But one condition, you have to do it at least once in a month. Once in a month, that's all. It will take you 2 hours. I'll teach you that. And just send an email to Srimeru999 and Niranjanji will make a list. I'll teach directly Navavarna Puja because that's the ultimate. Guruji was struggling to take it to the world. And not like a ritual. We'll teach the life values involved in the rituals. And in that says, that follows Parashrama Kalpa Sutra. Aim Dream Dream Ham Akashatmani Indri Nigram Pushpam Galvyanam Aim Dream Dream Kai Lahari Madhari Lahari Ram Tejatmani Upam Deepam Vam Amrita Tatpatmani Shivashikti Samarasyam Iti Naivedyam Kalpyamaha. What is the Naivedyam to be offered in reality? What is the Gantham? Your association with the people. Somebody asks you, how are you? Where? By the grace of Mother, I am doing great. This is Satsangam. This Satsangam is offering sandalwood powder. If you reduce your anger and reduce and reduce and reduce it every day, that is the dhupam. The anger level is same. You burn 5 or 6 dhupam, no way it is useful. When you close your eyes, you can always see God. Many people I see close their eyes. I want to see the God. That's good. That's where the God is. But the problem is, when you open your eyes, you're not seeing God. You should see God in each and everything around me. That's why I say, if 10% of the love, write down if possible, 10% of the love and respect you show to God and your Guru, if you show it to your family members and friends and relatives, the life would have been transformed. Years back, we treat those two as separate, this as separate. No. That's where Chitkala Deepam Kalpya. Let me have the capacity of seeing you when I close my eyes, and seeing you when I open my eyes. This is spirituality. Then comes Aim Dream Dream Kaihilarim Madganarim Sarim Vam Amritatatmane Shivashikti Samarasyam Naivedyam Galvyanam. Husband and wife are partners, or it may be, or you and the world. This is again partnership. You are the husband and the world is the wife. Always. Nature is female. Anybody who is observing the nature is a male. Samarasyam, in one unity. If they don't fight, that is the actual Naivedya. Tell me how many people are offering that. Now papaya is important, or pineapple is important, or your unity between you two is important. This is what my Guruji wanted to teach the families, and he was misunderstood. He was branded as a horrible tantric. We feel like weeping now. If he was understood properly by many, world would have been changed by now. He taught me how to respect wife, how to respect the people. And that gave me a new life. But all I am enjoying is what I have learned from him. He could have just overruled his wife and family. Would have become the greatest tantric the earth has ever produced, I'm telling you. It's got the guts. No. He said, Subbu, I am confined to my family. I'll go whatever they say. And he released me to the world. Giving me a wonderful wife who can go with me. He made my life easy. I learned one thing in Trinidad, with due respect to all the places. It's a wonderful place where I have seen a perfect blending of spirituality and modern. The children are modern, but they have could be here. You know that Sikha, they have respect. I was standing there, the child comes from, he's a grown-up child, not a child like a 8th standard, 8th grade. He comes and directly, I didn't even see him. He touched my feet and then, Sri Maatre Namaha, Guruji. Wow. The one place I have seen the blending of culture. And again, I don't want to mention, I went to some house. Wealth is flourishing. 2 houses I went. I'm telling you, this is life, this is spirituality. I don't care answering all the questions, but I take this opportunity to teach the life. Two houses I went. And one house is absolutely, things are so many crafts, so many books. Personally, I am fond of neatness. And I said, Amma is teaching me something. I just viewed that with not with the mind, with the consciousness. And I realized Lakshmi is flowing in their house. Happiness is flowing in their house because her husband loves her as she is. He's a perfectionist. He loves neatness. House obviously. But that's a secret. Shivashakti Samaratyam. Then I thought. The second house, perfect, neat and tidy. But then there also is flourishing because the wife, even though she could work, even though she could earn money, at home, she was taking care of the house and she was praying and giving. Oh, here is husband. I mean, I'm not saying the wife is bad there. I'm saying the blending is there. Both days, Lakshmi is flowing. And this is the spirituality. So, having said that, Naivedyam is blending yourself. Sama adi. That means being one with what you see is the Naivedyam. That means my Guruji used to, after offering these fruits and other things, he used to put water on his own head and then Om Bhurgosvata Sarvendram Bhargo Devatya Swapma Naivedyam Nivedayami. He offered his own body, mind, soul, everything to Lalitamba. He used to do that. And now I know why he did that. The more and more you offer, the more and more mind becomes slow. You don't exist around. The last years, my Guru never existed in the mundane world. He already got to shut in his own samadhi state. I used to bend his head and previously I used to joke with him, "Are you sleeping, Guruji?" He used to greet me here. "Sleeping is for you. meditation is for me. You are lucky. I have to meditate. He used to tell me. So anyway, that